What's up, YouTube? Temper here with the last part of this video, which will be 4 of these blisters. I could still buy so much more of these by Walmart. I don't know why they restocked on these, but I'm gonna keep picking them up till they're gone. And these I'll just pick up whenever because they'll be there for some time. But these are the packs I want to be picking up, so I could try to get that Shaman EX. So let's start off with these. We're on the hunt, starting now. Let's get right into it. Can I open this pack? Oh, there it is. Here's your code. 1, 2, 3. Dunsparce, sorry, I just got a notification. Gligar, Voltorb, Shucket, Meowth, Healing Scarf, Dragonair, Executor, Reverse Lucha, and a non-hollow rare, Dustox. Put this aside. I'll go into some Guardians Rising. Maybe we can get another Alolan Ninetales GX. That would be great. Really great. I would love that. You guys will love that too, because if I love it, that means you love it. Don't let us down. Let's get something great. Aw. That's not cool. This cold really needs to go away. Like, right away. Barbroach, Carvana, Fletchling, Litwick, Gothita, Energy, Max Potion, Alolan Graveler, Sudowoodo. Is that a rare? Ooh, reverse rare Delmice, and a Gothita. I couldn't say that for a second. Too much thinking. Alright. Well, so far in the first video we had an EX, second video we had a GX, so hopefully we can, get one more, just to make everything even. Wait, is that the same pack art? So hopefully there's something good in here. Maybe Shaman EX. Let's cross our fingers, guys. Let's cross our fingers. I cannot get this pack out. There we go. Here's your code of Roaring Skies. 1, 2, 3. Execute, Natu, Fletchling, Wurmple, Tailo, Pelipper, Revive, Togetic, Fletchlinger, and a Hollow Absol. So at least we got a Hollow. This last pack of Guardians Rising. Hopefully you can give us a GX to keep this trend going. Well, not a trend, whatever. The streak. I don't know why it's a trend. Yeah, I'm like streak. I'm scared to look at this code. Okay, we got a white code. Might be looking good for us. Oh, I feel texture. Oh my god, I cannot wait to get to the end. You guys are gonna love it. I feel a full art, and I haven't gotten one in a while. Castform, Vanillite, Murkrow, Salandit, Energy Recycler, Max Potion, Clefable, Oricorio, I think, yeah, and our full art is Tapu Lele GX. Oh, this is a beauty. This is getting sleeved right now. This is real nice. Last pack magic, guys. That's what you call last pack magic. Put her right in there. Check that out. Alright, guys. Make sure you comment, like, subscribe, and remember we have the 2 Team Rocket packs still up for grabs. Just help a guy hit 50 subs. That's all we need to do. Not that hard. We're 12 away. So yeah. Keep on PokeTubing, guys, and peace.